Good morning, pupils. Let's begin our English lesson. Open your copybooks and write down the date. Today is the 19th of January. Today we will continue our last theme about the weather. And our aim is to develop listening and reading skills through a story and to learn a long vowel I with two different spellings. Open your vocabularies and write down the new words. Listen and repeat. Collect, emergency, light, wet, tent, put up, night is falling, because, spy, night. Сабағымыздың екінші мақсаты ол жазылуы әртүрлі, алайда дыбысталуы бірдей, яғни I дыбысын беретін дыбыстармен танысу болатын. Егер сөзде I, G, H әріптері бірігіп келсе, онда үшеуі бірігіп I дыбысын береді. Мысалы, night, light. Ал егер сөз бір буыннан тұрып, және де Y әрпімен аяқталатын болса, онда Y әрпі I деп дыбысталады. Мысалы, spy, sky. Let's do the tasks. Open your pupils book at page 72 and 73. Listen and read.
Right, everyone. We must put up the tents before it gets dark.
Can we collect the firewood for the campfire?
Yes, okay. Daisy, you mustn't use your mobile phone when we're camping.
Use it only in an emergency. Why can't we light the campfire?
The firewood is wet. It must be dry, Lily.
There isn't any dry firewood anywhere. Well, now what?
I'm hungry and we can't cook anything.
Daisy, put the phone down and come here.
Wait a minute. Hey, what's this? It's an emergency pizza.
Exercise 10 on page 73. Read the story again and say if the sentences are true or false. For example, the first, the children are camping with their families. Is this sentence true? No, it isn't. And we should write false. And the next task is exercise 11 on page 73. Read the story again and match. For example, the first, they must hurry and put up the tents because night is falling. For today, I gave you two tasks. The lesson is over. Goodbye.